Hey, welcome. Flame Test Lab Day. It's a pretty cool lab day. So what we're going to do is we've got different solutions here. We'll go ahead and share these with you. We've got these different solutions with different ions in them. And we're going to put these wooden splints, which are soaking in the chemicals, into the flame. We're just going to kind of observe what color they change. We've got these two unknowns. Hopefully we can match them up then with based on their color. We're just going to go right in order, starting with barium. I'll put it into the flame here for just a second or two. Hopefully we see the colors it changes it's supposed to change. Move on to calcium, copper, so on and so forth. Right, so get you all set up here. Everything's good. Gas rolling. There we go. Now I'm going to kill the lights real quick. I'll be right back. Boy, it gets pretty dark in here, doesn't it? All right, now here we are. We're going to start off again with barium. Barium's going into the flame now. It looks like kind of a yellowish color there. Cool. Yeah, I'd be right with yellow for barium. All right, so there's barium. First one up, first one down. Again, you guys should be recording yellow on your sheet here. And next up, we'll move on to calcium. Oh, there we go. Looks like a much brighter orange for calcium. Kind of the trick always is you got to make sure you're not burning the wooden splint. You just want to burn the salts, not the wooden splint, but I think I'm seeing a very bright orange there. So yellow for the first one. A very bright orange for calcium. All right, next up we have a copper. Oh, I saw it very briefly. What we're looking for with copper is a green color. I only saw it very briefly. I think I need to strengthen my solution to a little bit. I'll try to make sure to do that for next year, but if you watch, let it catch. There, very quickly on the outside of the flame, we see that green very briefly. And again, that's what we're looking for. Just that quick bit of green when you're burning that one. All right, so green for copper. I saw a little bit. So I'm willing to write it down. Lithium, can't write it down if you don't see it, but I saw a little bit of green there. Hopefully you guys did as well. And here is lithium. Ooh. You should be seeing very dark red and a little bit of purple even. This is just a little bit more there. Definitely a dark, deep red, but if you look real close, I'll put it in again. If you look real closely, there's a little bit of purple on the edges too, which is good. We should be seeing purple for this one. There's that red and just a little bit of purple. Yeah, definitely a little bit of purple color. So I'm gonna say kind of a bright red and purple. That's what I'm gonna record for lithium. Bright red and even a little bit of purple, which is cool. Next up, we have sodium. Sodium's burning pretty quickly here. Very bright yellow for sodium. Yep, there's sodium again. I'm gonna put yellow for sodium. Strontium next. It's a kind of a bright red, even a little bit of orange in there. There it is again. Kind of a bright red orange, I think, for strontium. All right, next up, we have a couple of unknowns. I'm going to start here with unknown A. Call that a yellowish orange. Do that one more time just to make sure. Yeah, we call that a yellowish orange again. Yellow orange. And finally, unknown B. Not the same color yellow, that's for sure. Not exactly sure what color to call that. Kind of a dull yellow or orange. Normally we've had very bright colors today, and this one's really dull. And this unknown B, one more go here. See if we can't get the color I'm expecting to see. Ah, there it is. A little bit of purple. Excellent. So kind of a dull yellow purple color, I'm thinking. And that should do it for the flame test part. I'm going to hit the lights again. All right, so there was our flame test. I'm not sure exactly how well those colors turned out on the paper there. Got my colors recorded. You guys should take a guess at what unknown A is and unknown B. Again, take your best guess. If you're not right, it's all right. Just kind of use your deductive reasoning to take a guess at unknown A and unknown B. The backside then, you got to do a couple calculations. And so there should be, as part of the lab today, there should be a picture attached to the canvas. Take a look at those spectral lines, answer the questions, do the calculations. And that's the expectation for this lab. So hopefully everybody's all right with that. And let me know if you're not. And otherwise, have a good afternoon. We'll see you guys next time.